Hey guys, how are you doing? In this episode, we are going to see how to fix WhatsApp not connecting iPhone error. It was working fine, but all of a sudden, when you open WhatsApp and all you see is this connecting bar keeps on loading and you're unable to receive or send any messages to your friends and family members. The very first troubleshooting that you need to do is check whether internet connection is working normally on your iPhone or not by opening Safari browser and try to access any website and check whether internet connection is working or not. And then you can access the control center by swiping down at the top right section. And here you need to turn on airplane mode once and then turn off airplane mode. This will reset and try to establish the connection again with your mobile data or the Wi-Fi network that you are using. So if there is any temporary glitch related to some iOS software related bug in the network settings, then this will definitely be helpful to fix that temporary bug and re-establish the connection so that WhatsApp or any other website that you were trying to visit previously will start to work again. So if the issue is something temporary and network related within our device, then this airplane mode on and off will definitely be helpful. And the next check you need to do is navigate to settings application, then mobile service, and scroll till you locate the mobile data, WhatsApp, and make sure the toggle is on. If it is off, then WhatsApp will not be able to access internet using the mobile data connection. Only when you connect to Wi-Fi network, WhatsApp will work, and if the toggle is off, then under mobile data, when you're going outside where you're not connected to the Wi-Fi, then WhatsApp will not work. And the next troubleshooting step that you need to do is navigate to App Store, tap on your profile picture at the top right corner, and here swipe down once to refresh this page so that if there is any latest WhatsApp update available, you can see that here, and click on update to update the WhatsApp to latest version. If there are any bugs associated to this WhatsApp not connecting iPhone error, then this will definitely be helpful to make sure that your WhatsApp is up to date and any bugs related to that will also be fixed. After trying all these troubleshooting steps, if you're still unable to send any message and when you open WhatsApp, if you're still seeing the connecting and loading icon, then the problem is not related to your device or network, and make sure that the internet is normally working with all the other applications. In such case, the issue could be WhatsApp server related. There is nothing you can do about it, but it is a temporary server downtime, and normally such things have happened before, and like 1 to 2 hours after WhatsApp normally gets back up online and the connecting loading icon disappears, and we will be able to send message once again to our friends and family members. So Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, any other application, Twitter or X, any other application encounters similar server outage or server downtime error rarely, and it lasts for few hours and it gets fixed automatically. In such cases, you can check the official Twitter page of WhatsApp to see whether the downtime is global or affecting a particular country due to some internet backbone outage or ISP related problem, and that will help you to understand whether the WhatsApp connecting error is related to your iPhone or your particular device or the network related. I hope these tips helped you to fix the problem and helped you to understand why it happened. Thanks so much for watching. For more useful iPhone, iPad and Mac related tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day.